And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's kick off with football. Jamaica's Reggae Boyz rebounded to beat host nation Saudi Arabia in a come-from-behind 2-1 victory in the second friendly international in Riyadh on Tuesday. Jermaine Brown has the details.
It was a much improved performance from the Reggae Boyz against Saudi Arabia at the Riyadh Stadium on Tuesday. The Jamaicans made 5 changes to the team that started in the defeat in the first match last Saturday, with Michael Hector, O'Neill Fisher, Ravel Morrison, Leon Bailey and Javan East being brought in. And the changes appeared to pay dividends from the opening whistle, as it was the Jamaicans who had the better of the early exchanges and looked more purposeful. But it was the Saudis who went ahead in the 29th minute when Abdullah Al-Hamdan made use of another defensive error by the Reggae Boyz. The Jamaicans could have equalized almost immediately, but only Leon Bailey could explain this miss. However, with the Jamaicans pressing for the equalizer, the much talked about new invitee Daniel Johnson of Preston North End showed just why he was voted Player of the Year in the English Championship last season with this beauty. In minute 34, Johnson's strike ensured the teams went into the halftime break at 1-1. Upon the resumption, the Reggae Boyz immediately pressed for the go-ahead goal and mysteriously had a penalty appeal declined when East was brought down. But against the run of play, East would have his say, sending the Jamaicans ahead with this bustling strike in the 64th to score only his second goal for his country. From then on, the Caribbean's #1 ranked team enjoyed a period of dominance, Captain Damian Lowe coming close to increasing their lead. East seemed to have copied from Bailey's book when he missed an open goal and the opportunity for a second. Despite some late forays from the host team, the Jamaicans held on for the win to ensure they got one back in the 2-match series. This was the Reggae Boyz' first win over the Saudis since 1999. It was also their first win over an Asian Confederation team since 2007.
The performance was better than the result for me. Encouraging display from team. Still a lot to work on, but in time, better team organization this evening and could have won by a much larger margin. I think we used the ball much this afternoon. Under the circumstances, I think the guys played with a lot of guts, a lot of heart, and they did us proud.
28-year-old Johnson, who was born in Jamaica and left at age 12 for England, reflected on the team's performance.
We could have scored a lot more. The game could have ended up 5 easily. But yeah, overall, good performance from everybody. It was a team performance today, so yeah, just happy that we get the win.
Meanwhile, the next FIFA window for international matches is set for March 18 to 26, 2021. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.